I go by the name AMG, therefore I represent MG Gang.
We are on the street.
Today, it was street boys and so the youth.
In the country Ghana.
Youth in Ghana no, and they also there were more advice I did by streetwise. Friend is streetwise. That I'm not you know. Streetwise.
You to know how I used to.
I mean,
who street and so. I dream Ben
at that home. Nyansa Ben the woman. Because
I'm sure my Ghana.
It's my you to know.
Never pray in favor,
you to know.
Pray in favor.
Now, then, you to know, it's all about streetwise.
Streetwise. It's all about streetwise. And to a boy, who a youth, who was street in the soul. Who was street in the soul. And so we should agree with it.
We know.
You should process it. Name of Nyansa.
So we are putting the whole street in so we no problem.
We go live your life. Now the only the same one in this is
Ghana. You to know good
too much.
And then I say I dare say
Yabo too, I dare
will be kind, I dare say a lot of issues.
Country too much
in Ghana here. It's all about the youth. Youth, you know, sooner you know,
to me, little advice I'm world
my youth, you know, and I'm a little
too many. Youth, no moment, moment reason,
not being a man, Yansa, near Fanya at the papa.
Oh, youth, oh, street,
you know, so youth now street, and so.
I saw me when you know Pisca. Cause I don't know much of the kind. I took actually you to be able to
do many hope. Fine. Government and MBA companies are obeying. But so far as a young our system as a hassle and idea. That don't depend on the government.
So what you must me I saw one of Faton so. Especially if you reach a
poor family, poor background, we need support to be here. This is the time I will youth now, who was treating us.
You should have been my year to my process here among Yansa and other
Yansa already. edidi eduma
chama street
e wo so no bia ne baby ofri baaye o bia o baby ofri baaye bia o baby ofri baaye o bia so na adwen batate a say street youth there chama o ya debi
na
security personnel bi be hawa wo nkwan afa so ba elen go so ewe
ni ka be sisan twede ko so e monte so
hwedra ishiwi
hwedra ishiwi so ya some hwedra ishiwi si protest ya no moye
amadi fa
saying that wow ya youth ewu ewo but as a youth
ne de meme de
me nko hokra
na
incident bi se cry den asi na de tienie youth no ese ye ya boy on
pa aduma no on se obia free bia on background e dey say o background one hour ba hwe o level of the o background no ene be den o bi na so
aduma entino o dia je government ni me bia aduma aso
o police o be ye aduma dia ama o be de bia o be show street ni so o be ese
titam bia bo so kita
negative thought adwen no and wo bagwen and men ma onyansa papa bia de baba bia negative
ngade ntia o mami o
akọ dum central market akobo bojo wa turn into o ba fi asen kita na bia 1.5 acha ma o she one side ma me do na anwaire abon henya no wajin 1.5
enyiska bia wa
hono mono wa ha ma me no because ono na o duku fi akoire akoso ofifie o so ta one side wa batikati wetuma ya adwuma
odo hoato
aban so obitima ya adwuma sama o hwe o level na bebi o free bana say amazing worker wako amazing work
ko a day when you 50 Ghana
won kwan afa so be issue sika ube hawa ube save you catch your coat according to your size
now street ni so now koba
every blessed day koba no ana for wa bon paye kama
up street no so akwaba
when you 50 Ghana won hawa ube see issue no waska de ho o de bia to o bia see kakra o de kakra e sei bisu de botuma en na o de koba obisu nye mesi work
obisu be farms obi be
tuma do bro obia wale ne field a wale ba o street ni so obisu
nye mesi work obisu be ko town
akoto bia bi watch bi no the street ni so town how kwaya fa so a o be live life na without an blame government na abaya say tambia o mo mo tifie ne hu an wo kire fa o tifie na hu an wo kire cause enkoma do decide radio na ye to wi mu
ne how
to ko ba wo asokra ya ne why so street ni so nten ya fe na wo ba nya time cry ren ye to fuel mu kra na sto wo ya ren wo ko ba ko a because e din ya wo ko ba e tu mi sen kra wo bitia definitely because wo so
I say so
yeah
youth no dey seremo mama penini bia medada o
I say I will stand up now fight for right so we please got to bottom that's the best view
na
the ekoso mine man pay for no ma twu man ni dey
minim say ebepem ni say omo a o dey omo busu
disca no omo you should mind how I was pay no the more every generation be as nipa need
every seconds we are counting on the clock
yeah no nipa need
you be do some level bi o wa
mobile disc na fe mo timi disc na bi
na fe de apem na fe de ma no bo se asase e de ko kama ntu ye youth a chairman
ko fa adwuma na ye
e fa nko se ma
upa adwuma bia one level obi awie
senior high
Obetim
da apply adwuma bi
obia
we just
certificate.
obetim da apply adwuma bi obi
So ankokra edea musuma adwuma no de category. Enti wo hwe line na wo free bana. Sa line na wo hwe there. Ahwe support adwuma. Graduate process.
then we amazing ya and just obetim and how you labor
Opia baro ana so amota. And just say o na wo so awu. And just na me ama wadwen no. Adwen we no. Into the more would hear you and why so many years you now process can be a bonus. Okay, me liberate me doing it forever. It's I don't them say me find you me
save you we say what me processing
find move from this step to this step. And to one of those I'm so liberate. Do more want to be over to be also liberate. Hey, don't show you over here that you say it on phone cases, bubble glass, what's that kind of
crack also I'm some
black boy there as a street hustler they over bread and yeah is over fun just easy say my fun easy na me na musa da baby over bread and kata so many years okay
kakra you also get because scanner in happen
then you have been scratching
to open you despite we
now to be our target no fine but if you are not doing your scan level because be a free battle line more than before we hit one on how but would be so and it's over so
into I want to man
at least ultimate team with you crana. There you go.
Hustle na fa no
Now it's always street so when you're A1 no.
So I portray exams na when you A1 and our university when you first class up. Yeah. The youth, you know, it's about the youth. I'm here for the youth. Kakrana mono.
It's for the youth.
Youth no pan here become the youth. Me hustler, me hustle.
No more can say we are me kwa juma. So I'm matching 4 a.m. na me video.
About 6:30 yes. I say me go street in so. I go hustle and you remember. So what I say. Until youth no, me here me youth no. Moi I'm sorry.
Kwa juma ye. Pay you my qualification be a kit of
Be out being young with my tooth na fee. I say I buy me a juma.
Government name me a juma, government name me a juma, and a juma, you are some 1 hour how. Open the what do through you.
I buy any Chanaka. On Obagina culture every 20 days, and I'm going to say every month. Obaginics and also a politics time do
or Buffy or something you tonight or a human you know on the over a cram. Now must I was a munya campaign, mammy, or a crabby Saka can or a mono. How many days? How many weeks? And I'll be using scanner.
to leave so quick in your mouth.
Thousand, how many weeks may be 1,000 will be done.
We are not supporting us.
And then Jamu may advise here on YouTube. Yanji Ubieska, Yan campaign movie because all by one area. I say, why say up?
Because all this guys can
They be
on the human be into you to know, Mummy and Inti. Mummy, I dream, you know.
Say, I mean, if I go, I say, I dream and the answer. I dream it out. So all the reason and the more answer.
I'm will be the baby bar. I'll approach you. Don't quire for so I'm the baby. Timmy won't to Mamma Penny, you should go here, Juma. Because this cannot be brought it out.
And to me, wow, would do a beer.
What could be a 500
300 pound every.
would do come a cheer?
So would you come out here? Eh? Someone come here. Me say me come out de me da. But me and
I say, may one. Although me you okay.
my improve.
What I say, I come
here. And so do come out here. They be up and you be issue.
by times who know here.
One of the cabro.
Every time also here, no,
No, I don't go. And I also say, you do.
young wise here. So the youth, we should wise up. Sermon, young wise up. Near Juma, a Juma government knows also, be in a near Juma. On one price, can you know? Best I be. or the best system na support ka account so on do so
na sa o de no support o mo da wo nti wo support o and support o support o mo da but I say o depend on the government but the moment out if you na come we now say TV na mo ti o mo tu a lot of we confused.
So what I say nti o TV a we you try so being positive this canal is here
ska money cash kudi laza. So what I say this can be here like ska kwan be so na opportunity positive way no
negative no film enko type an ko jo bisika
enko type an ko jo be phone
enye kasa bebrebe mo wa YouTube yen sorry obia enko pa adwuma nye ko pa adwuma na ye oye adwuma I can bet you say obi discafia be approach you already what
that kind of money times better 10. Let's say be our approach you with maybe 500 cedis no ye adwuma nya 3000 na die nti o de ba no o redwen wo no me dekra o nya de me pay mame and dog na ye choose the right thing to do
to ye adwuma street no so boys be bring accounts
o ye adwuma we na de na bottom no discuss so de o ritua
me pending jesu mu siska ntemba we fen sika usiska usia neka tiska si nenka na yushu fabobra wansia
asa onya bi
so sika udisi na ka waja se sanete nti YouTube bre wo street so many account ni ade
obu wa say
obi a tense na manya were da ko
bank ni ade there's always a way I'm sure o kwan ba ko street boys no money account ni ade for
or the let's say we adwuma
na wo ye no sikasem no wo form
your bank bo
Ghana your friend multi credit
Casbin nana as for group of companies na they buy multi credit or your
okwa konia branch e ben wa obetimi ene o ma diguma omo portion of make I say fixed deposit
a friend multi charge
a form of susu but make I say fixed deposit sana me kan multi charge who 5 cities who can register we are a 1 year na betuma withdraw card who 5 cities na onya jibuku na nipa no ba je wo ho who 5 cities wo ba obaje 10 cities 20 cities 30 cities
it depends how our person
save
and yearly 25 10
20 30 we street boy ko ba bi onya 50 1 me wani to the be what to 30 to be what 20
because you all bills can be near there
which I like the way say sa 20 30 20 10 5 cd 10 cd
bon say ya na ba ko
no wonya bi 1000 2000 3000
every year na so no
utim be more like utim dey upgrade on our house no bi amomi kra no wa kire wo mo bi akoko bi so I say after drink a crab aka da come on ame onu su mu me bai onu su bibi nya pai bo bi kra nya timi tawachi na wo su wo street ne so pai bo no ye adima no wo street ne so no na open doors na wo share link because a link system no ni link maza links no ba na adima na ba na links no ba waja say na pai bo na ma si pushi ni booster waja say
and cousin by one to
say for Sunday Monday to Friday okay
ko ya juma pesca say
Monday we just street so sa what I say working days ni dey who pay usika na say na o ma also this kunya kakra de bo ma mo so mo ti fie kra na ana so mo tam so be ye adwuma ana so mo so ye adwuma kakra na nyina mu boost mo na obi a oda say na link ni bie links ni bie na links ni bie so that say the street boy be am one nte na ma di kan unni account so there so places can go ni people be me no be kasa how dey sa na mo kan o de multi credit Ghana de ba bia bi o na hwe ni aba branch e ben na ko bie na jibuku ni bi je okwa o de obetima yo two section obetima bie normal susu buku ho no wa bie multi charge ne pa ni hia me ho no akwa fixed deposit yearly ni yi no otu sa 1 year it depend date na do ko register no ta date no so a na wa ko no process no ma use ka no a very good idea me ye bia boa me and I say me so me catch me street boys no e bia no obi nim so nim so fine there you go but we nim so dia ma catch multi credit with a call for ID card ni ade ko mo ba chiro de ohia so we be multi charge account e susu 5 city 10 city at the end of the year bo se kakra ere edam kama now so we there ehun de wo de ye wa brabo the challenge is about the street wise. I go by the name AMG Gang. That's my group name. But the real name is AMG or therefore. It's about the street. My usual grand and yes who the oh yeah. Oh street to the chama. That was it. I mean sure we be so no pray.